now I'm gonna react on the video 28 years of Vijay's mashup. It means Thalapathy Vijay completed 28 years in this industry. Wow, that's really great, and I'm super duper excited to react on this video. But before I start, hello, and I'm Monali Naik. Welcome to my channel, नखरे वाली मोना. और अगर आपने मुझे अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया होगा, तो please do subscribe my channel. So let's go.
புரட்சி தலைவர் எம்ஜிஆர் அவர்களுக்கு அப்புறம் கதாநாயகனா ஏத்துக்கிட்ட ஒரே நடிகர்.
நடிகர் விஜயின் வீடு மற்றும் அலுவலகம் உள்ளிட்ட இடங்களில் வருமான வரித்துறை அதிகாரிகள் இரண்டாவது நாளாக சோதனை மேற்கொண்டுள்ளனர்.
The income tax department raided Tamil actor Vijay's Chennai residence.
நடிகர் விஜய் படப்பிடிப்பு தளத்திற்கு சென்ற வருமானத்துறை அதிகாரிகள் அவரை அழைத்து வந்து சென்னையில் விசாரணை செய்து கொண்டிருக்கிறார்.
சார் எதுக்காக கூட்டிட்டு வந்திருக்கீங்க?
That he was targeted for his anti-BJP stance.
Oh my God! Is
விஜய்
it?
பேசின இந்த விஷயங்கள் மிகப்பெரிய ஒரு சர்ச்சையை ஏற்படுத்தியது.
Turning to be controversial, okay. Flops were there, na back then, I guess.
இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சீன்லயே வந்து படம் வந்து படுத்துச்சுன்னு சொல்லணும்.
The income tax department raided Tamil actor Vijay's Chennai.
His posters were removed. Sarcastic.
அந்த பிராண்ட் அழிப்பதுல தான்டா நான் ஸ்பெஷலிஸ்ட். நான் உன்கிட்ட மாட்டல, நீ தான் என்கிட்ட வந்து மாட்டிருக்க.
Vijay is a huge star, a superstar in his own right, enjoys a huge fan following, which is why it's created such ripples really in Tamil Nadu.
Posters have emerged in Tamil Nadu's Madurai pushing for superstar Vijay to join politics.
அந்த பாயா இருக்கணும்டா. இறங்கணும்னு முடிவு பண்ணிட்டேன்னா சைலண்டா வர மாட்டேன். இதுதான் நம்ம சர்க்கார். அரசியல்ல பூந்து விளையாடுங்க, விளையாட்டுல பூந்து அரசியல் பண்ணாதீங்க. எவனை எங்க உட்கார வைக்கணுமோ அவனை அங்கங்க கரெக்டா உட்கார வச்சுக்கினா. ஒரு குட்டி கதை ஒன்று சொல்றேன். நம்மளை வணங்குறவங்களும் இருப்பாங்க, நம்மளை வரவேற்கிறவங்களும் இருப்பாங்க, நம்மளை எதிர்க்கிறவங்களும் இருப்பாங்க. நம்ம அந்த நதி மாதிரியே போய்கிட்டே இருக்கணும். செஞ்சிடலாமா? செஞ்சுட்டா போச்சு.
My favorite. I guess this is from Master.
வெறித்தனமா இருக்கும். நம்ம பேச்சு மட்டும் தான் சைலண்டா இருக்கும், ஆனா அடி சரவெடி.
Wow. Is something? Okay. Khatam. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. So guys, it's been long. I'm reacting to Thalapathy Vijay's video. Let it be scenes, let it be songs. I guess it's been like more than 6 months, 8 months, I guess. And I've reacted on so many scenes and songs of him. And I have seen his style, his presence on screen and everything is outstanding. He's got a very cute baby face, and but still he does those action scenes and everything so nicely, so neatly, so smoothly, which seems outstanding. Now look at his style, man. This thing, or the chewing gum thing. The chewing gum is my favorite scene. You know, like the favorite style actually. Cut and he eats that. Oh my God, that's really outstanding. This one, and there are so many things. So he has seen everything in his life. Let it be ups, downs, and everything. I was shocked to see in this video that his posters were toned down and people were protesting against him. I haven't seen this in any of the video earlier. So I literally got shocked. Like I thought, like people are supporting him. Let it be Sarkar or anyone was opposing him, and those income rate and whatever happened with him. But I thought people are supporting him. What happened? I really don't know. You will tell me in the comment section below, because he's been loved a lot. I have seen that in my videos as well. People like love him like anything, and this is outstanding, you know. And there are some scenes which I have not reacted yet. With the way he was having here the tika, the black dhoti, black banyan. So I really don't know from which movie is it. I haven't reacted to it ever. But he was looking handsome in that as well, and some of the master scenes were also there. And I know you guys are super duper excited for Master like anything, because I have seen your craze for Master. Teaser is also now, trailer is on the way, and then I guess movie, you guys were saying the movie will be there by January or February. You guys told me in the comment section. I really don't know. So it's going to be crazy, and Thalapathy Vijay on screen. Oh my god. So there was a scene from the Sarkar fight scene as well. The way he said Sarkar, there was a dialogue where the way he said this thing, and there was one more dialogue where he was kidnapped, okay, and he was saying that you didn't kidnap me, you didn't trap me, I trapped you, and that was really wow. So see, his swag, his style, the way he walked, the way he having so many different kind of styles. Rayappan, you can say. Rayappan is my favorite. The first time I saw Rayappan character, the only I saw, I didn't even react it. I just saw, okay, this is something a Rayappan named character, and the way he was dressed, the way he was having those lenses, the aged person and everything. And he was looking literally handsome in that look as well. Come on, tell me this thing. And for the first time when I had reacted on him, I guess Master Songs, I guess, and people asked me that, please guess what's his age. I was like, around 30. Okay, I just guessed it. It was around 30. And people were like, no, he's 43 years old. I'm like, come on, he's having such a cute face, and you're saying that he is 43 years old. So that's awesome. That's outstanding. And then after the income tax raid, everything happened, and everything was solved, and then so many people came in support, and the people were like, they were having so many huge posters, and people are crazy. He also enjoys a huge fan following, which is said in each and every video, and which even I have sensed in my videos as well, that people are crazily loving him. And so people, you tell me, you're watching him since 28 years, or how many years since you were born, and what do you feel? There were so many flops there. He have mentioned in the video there were so many flops, but see, ups and downs is the part of life. The way he deal, we should learn from him. The way he deal with his failures, we should also learn, and we should work on it, and we should shine like a star. And this is what he have taught us. And if you want more of Thalapathy videos now, guys, you will have to like this video as much as you can, and share this video as much as you can, because on your views I get to know what my audience love to watch and what not, and which video should I bring next. So this was my reaction on the video 28 years of Vijay Zab. So don't forget to like and subscribe, drop a comment in the comment section below. Baki, let's have bye.